Most people hold a stretch for about 30 seconds, but what if I told you there was another way? In this video, I'll show you how active isolated stretching can improve flexibility in just 2-second intervals. It's safer, faster, and more effective than traditional passive stretching. I'm going to demonstrate how to perform active isolated stretching, which is an AIS technique. Now, I've identified on my client, there's some restriction in the quadricep, so let's just have a look at the range of movement before we start, and I'm feeling some resistance around here. I'm feeling a bit of bounce. So we can see when the heel is on bum, it's a really good range of movement. My client's been doing a lot of training this week, so there's some tension there. So with AIS, this stretch is only performed for 2 seconds, but we repeat it 10 times. And there's 3 different versions of active isolated stretching. The first one is called passive assisted. So for this technique, I'm going to take my client to a stretch, 2 seconds, and I bring the leg back. I take it to a stretch for 2 seconds, I bring it back. And we repeat that 10 times. Now, at no point am I taking it to a maximal stretch. So it's all within the client range because we are gradually going to improve that with each time that I perform it. Hold for 2, take it back. Hold for 2, take it back. Okay, we do that for 10 times. We could move on to the next stage now. This is passive with active return. So I take it to a 2-second stretch. My client will bring their own leg back. You can see there's movement there. So they're having to activate the quadricep to bring their leg back. This is different to the first one where I take the leg back. Hold for 2. The client brings their own leg back. We get some engagement now in the quadricep. 2, client brings their leg back. Repeat that 10 times. And the third one is passive assisted with resisted return. So hold for 2. My client is going to push into my hand, so we've got more engagement now in the quad. Relax. 2-second hold. Client presses back. Relax. Take it 2 seconds. Client presses. So there's some contraction in the quadricep now. Hold for 2. Resisted return. You have to talk to your client with this technique. It's not complicated, but press, that's it. If we haven't got that communication, one of you will forget what you're doing. So we need to have that repeated movement. Hold for 2, press back against resistance. Relax there, and let's say I did that 10 times. Okay, just to recap, there were 3 different forms of active isolated stretching. The first one, it was a passive stretch, and I'm in control, client is relaxed, and I bring their leg back. Take it to a stretch, I bring their leg back. That's a really nice way to start, and the client is very relaxed. The second way is a 2-second hold. The client brings their own leg back. There's no resistance, but they're engaged in the quadricep. Client brings their own leg back. Okay. The third one is 2-second hold, and now the client pushes. Okay, so there's now more engagement in the quadricep. And by engaging the quad, we'll get this one relaxing. We encourage the movement. And it also pinpoints, with the client lying there, it engages the brain. So it controls the nervous system and completely allows the client to feel what is going on. So it allows them to understand their body a bit more during this stretch. Now, if we went back to the first point, I think I was feeling resistance about here. And if we have a look now, it's around here. So already we've got that much improvement. You can also see in my client when I do this that the hips move. So that's why I have a hand on the hip to stop that excessive hip movement. So we can use active isolated stretching because it is a dynamic form of stretching. We could use it at the start of a treatment even, or without the muscles being warmed up. Usually when we stretch muscles, and if you've seen the MET video, we say make sure the muscles are warm, so we'll do it at the end. This one is safe to use wherever because it's held for 2 seconds, and because of the dynamic movement, we can use it throughout the treatment as well. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one.